Hello and welcome to Blockchain Silver, the place where we analyze what in the world is going on in crypto. Today we're going to talk about EOS, and I believe that its correction appears to be done. Warning, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. It is best to do your own due diligence, form your own conclusions, and invest based on your opinion of the market. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative and may lose value. Be safe out there. All right, this here is a snapshot of EOS priced in dollars. It's on a daily chart. The green line is the 50-day moving average. This blue line is the 200-day moving average. And this here, the CCI, this is the Commodity Channel Index. And this here is the Stock RSI. I don't solely base my opinion on these two, the Commodity Channel Index and the Stock RSI, but I use them if I need that final confirmation about my thoughts on something. If I think a market is at a top or at a bottom, I use these two. But my main trading indicators that I use, well, they're not even indicators, be Elliott wave theory and the Darvas box theory. And so Elliott wave it's 5 waves and then an ABC correction. So it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a A, B, C, or an irregular A, B, C, or an A, B, C. So that's Elliott wave. And then the Darvas box theory, I read a book. It's about this gentleman. I don't know, he made like $2.5 million back in the 1950s or the 1960s, and what he used was he would get these prices from his broker. He'd draw all this out, and then he would create these little boxes, and if it broke above the box, he would already have a buy order placed in to buy, and if it broke below it, he would have a sell order placed in. And so in really Elliott wave and Darvas box theory, they go hand in hand, because you can draw the box, and then from the bottom of the, like say this was a box right here, and then this is a tight box here, from the bottom of each box to the top, it's almost about the same percentage as Elliott wave, and so they really work good. But anyways, let's get on to EOS priced in dollars and how I think the correction is done. So this here, to me, this looks like a longer wave 1 and 2. The wave 1 lasted a little over 6 months. The wave 2 lasted about 2 months. And of course, this being the ABC correction. All right, so this is what I think is going to happen next. Now, I did post a video on August 20th about EOS, and I have $3.33 down here. Now, it did go lower, and it could even go lower from this. We'll just have to wait and see. If it does, I'll do another video, and I'll update all the prices on what I think. And so this now would be about my end-of-year target. I think in the other video it was like $18.79 or something. So I'm going to leave that video up. It still might be valid, but it could be this, could be, but I see about $17, $18 EOS coming. Could be by the end of the year. It could be maybe sometime in January. So if this here was a longer wave 1 and 2, this part right here is the beginning of this part. And so this is about what I see for the next. So this would be a 3 and a 4. So this here, a 1 and a 2. This would be end of August, a 3 and a 4. So larger wave 1, lasting December 15th to June 26th. That's this one here. Larger wave 2, June 26th to August 29th. This one here. And then I've drawn these two for you. So this is the next price area that I'm looking for. Will it go exactly right to this, to a penny? Probably not, but you know, I'm looking around probably somewhere around 575 to maybe 625. I'm looking for about that area. And this is what the first one did. So all these numbers here I've pulled from this. And same with the ABC correction. This one here was like about a 65% correction down. I don't think this one will be that bad. It'll probably be really quick. Like, it'll come down quickly, and as quick as it comes down, if it comes down in a couple weeks, it'll probably shoot right back. That's what I think. It could be a long, drawn-out correction again, but normally what I've noticed is if the wave 2, the corrective move, if the wave 2 is long and deep, the wave 4 is usually short and shallow. If the wave 2 is short and shallow, the 4 will be long and deep. They can sometimes be the same, but I've noticed they're usually different. And so this being a larger wave 4, this wave 2 here, for 2 months, that's pretty long. And the reason I don't see the next one being 2 months is because if we hit a high in like December or January, with the Bitcoin halving coming in May, I don't see this, especially if it's in January, I don't see EOS going down for all of January, all of February, because I think Bitcoin will be going up. But it could go down for January. That's not uncommon. January is usually a bad month for cryptos. They normally don't do too well. So anything can happen. But that's it for today. If the $3.01, this price right here, if that holds, that's that little red bar right there. So if that price holds, then this is what I'm looking for EOS over, it would be September, October, November, and December. So only time will tell. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. And that's it for today. If you like the video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Share it. Feel free to put any comments down below. If you agree, disagree, I'm always up to hear everybody else's opinion on what they think. It gives me a good sentiment for the market on what everybody else is thinking. And click the subscribe button. And I want to thank you again for coming out to Blockchain Silver. And remember to be safe and happy investing.